What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Also, I would like to greet you good morning, good afternoon. I would like to thank you guys who are really supporting me a great deal. So, I would like to introduce my channel. My channel is Chacha Thomas. Thomas, you have to start with a capital letter. So, as you can see, guys, today we are here working on the plumbing issue. As you can see, we are working on gutters. So these are all the gutters, but we have come to repair them. But you can see the way we have repaired them. You can think they are new, but they are not new. We have prepared them in an orderly manner. You can see how long they are, but we have actually done a great deal. So you can see like here, I'm actually up in the tank. I'm in the tank. You can see, guys. So I was working here to make sure that this gutter is stick to here. So you can see I have a hole here, and this will be the inlet. So all the pipes and all the gutters, this is the place that we shall be harvesting our water. You can see we have two inlet, so for 3,000 liters and also for 10,000 liters. You can see the way our pipes, the way the channel of our pipes are. So please, you see, I've been educating you several times that please go to my channel so that you can watch and learn many things, so that you can see on daily basis what we are doing. So guys, you can see. So see, after finishing here, so I have to climb down. So I have to go slowly. Otherwise, you can fall down and make yourself injured seriously. So you can see. You see, we have put one drop here, and also we have the other one there. So actually, this is a marvelous job we have done. Hey, gentlemen, deep. For the door. So you can see, guys, what we have done. So we are starting from our garden. So my viewers properly what we have done. So you can see how we have rectified the gutters. So and see how they are looking. They are looking very nice. Okay, they are looking very nice. They have done what is supposed to be done. But and according to the school, this is located private school. You see, to get a job like a big school like this, you must be a very serious man who knows what is supposed to be done on the ground. Others you can see. So there only has one block, but you can see we have divided them into two so that they can have enough water in the ground. So guys, you can learn and see. Okay, you see, after finishing, I'm waiting for the supervisor to come. So this is one of the class. You can see, guys. This is a very serious. It's a very big school, but we need to do something about the school. We have to support the school, guys. So we are humbly asking my subscribers to give me more support so that we can also see this our school. This is our former school, primary school, but you can see the way it is. So guys, we have called the day. So I need somebody to put the silicone there.
Yes.
Guys, I need somebody there to put the silicone there, two places there and there. Who is going up? Well, guys, you can see this is silicone. This is silicone sealant. 2,500. I think so. Yeah. General purpose silicone sealant. Permanent grip, flexible. Quality mark. Guys, you can see. So if you know how to study the China language, they are written here. But English means you can read here and you can see the purpose of this. So from there you can learn what it is used for. So you can see they have given instructions here on how to use them. So when you have something like this, so first of all you have to read the instruction. Note that's when before you start working on it, you must read the instruction box. After finishing here, then you can start applying your silicone. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very much.
So that's why you can see my hands are up.
Feel most welcomed for our job. We are good plumbers, educated to help one another. Get subscribed in our YouTube channel so that we can work together. That's how we are doing the job.
Just apply from inside where the joints are. Just apply.
So that's how we are applying the silicone.
Have you applied both sides? Yeah. Okay. So go to the second. Napaka ndani kwanza kule. Nasikia? Just apply inside first. Make sure that there is no space. Napaka ndani good. Have you applied it inside properly? Yeah. So we don't have any leakage there. So hapa mpaka na upande ndani humo ndani humo. Ndani ndani ndani. Hapa tu. Hapa hapo chini kwa chini hapa. Hapa. Hapo hapo tu. Mpaka ya kutoka. So I'm asking the food to apply enough silicone so that we don't have any leakage around.
So it's just applying the enough silicone to avoid such leakages that occur in joints. So as you can see, he's applying the silicone.
Ndani ndani hapa. Huku. Ndani huwezi kwenda ndani. Inatosha. Na hapa pale kuliko ndani. Hapa pembeni. So guys, thank you. I'm very much grateful for your support, guys. So my returning subscribers, please, my humble request is that please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. As I told you that my YouTube channel is Saka Thomas, but Thomas you have to start with the capital letter. So you can see daily basis we have to upload, download some new subjects. So as you can see today, we've been selected in this school, Okera Primary School, to come and work on this plumbing issue. As you can see, the former plumber who came here, he messed up. So after maybe 2 to 3 years to purchase these tanks, they have not yet received any water inside there. But they have to sit and ask for the second tender so that somebody can come and rectify the matter so that they can get the enough water in the school. So you can see what we have done, and we have finished with this side. That's why I'm saying that please subscribe on my YouTube channel, share, comment, and also you can advise, guys. You can see every day we are uploading some many subjects and our daily duties. Hey, they have written something here. Usage on duty. Okay. Maybe this is the place that they can have the chemical. Okay. So, okay, anyway, that is not our subject. So that's why I'm asking you guys that the daily basis, please. Learn what on our videos, what our subjects that we are applying daily so that you can learn something. You can see what we have done. You can see what we have done. You can see two tanks now. They can be in a position of receiving enough water so that the pupils around they can get, who are studying here, they can get enough water to use, and also our teachers. That's why I'm saying that please. Whenever you are doing something, make sure that you go for the serious person or fundi or the engineer who can help you in a given job, instead of wasting a lot of resources or a lot of money. So you can see that the first plumber who came here, he did not manage to work as we have worked here. But now I promise them that from today onwards, they will be getting enough water so that they can use on their daily purposes. Otherwise, thank you guys, thank you very much. And humbly asking guys, my subscribers, my turning subscribers, my new subscriber, please watch my video. Watch my video daily basis so that you can learn something. You can learn something, and you can also have something good that can help you. Instead of wasting, maybe when you come to construction, if you want to come up with your house, or you want to have to harvest water, rainwater, you can have something like this. So nobody will come and teach you that this is supposed to be done this way. No, you can tell them, no, I watched a given video, so I know what is supposed to be done. So like now you can see we have the stoppers, we have the droppers, we have the clips, and you can see the distance of the two clips, the way the distance are. They are all the same from here up there. So that's why I'm saying that whenever you are doing this work, you have to go for the serious plan. You can see this 10,000 liters tank, and also this one is I know it's 500. So you can see the difference. So please, my humble request is please subscribe on my YouTube channel, share, and also link. Please support me greatly. I'm really still behind. Although I'm learning up to 3,600 watching hours. Please, you see, I'm somewhere. I want some few remarks so that I can reach where the requirements are, so that I can be monetized and have some kind of something to be given to support me, so that when I'm done watching my video, I can be in a position to download my video. That video needs the resources. That's why I'm saying please download on my video, and also watch my video, so that you can learn something. Okay, otherwise thank you very much. So let us go. Usizime. Umezima? So you can see, these are serious school, guys. You see, this is the assembly. But these guys, they have a very organized fence. This is the assembly where they can have their share. They can have a rest. Oh, please correct everything so that we are going. Have the ladder. Ladder you. Ngazi, beba ngazi twende. I'm asking my helper to come to carry on the ladder so that we can move after finishing our duty. So guys, you can see this is the assembly one. This is a very big school. This is a very big school. So I don't know how I can call it. I can call it